Hello, guys, and welcome back to another video with the big launch, the craziest launch in a word about crypto, perhaps in the universe. Before we get into any content, I would love to do our quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You must do your own market research. I'm not touching in any news today. Today is Saturday, okay? Currently 4 p.m. Spanish time, and over the weekend we don't really have crazy movements sometimes, so I am currently out of my previous Ethereum position. However, I am fine with it. But let me show you that we have another opportunity here. If we do hold around 2,500, I remain bullish on Ethereum. And it's time to open a new long, perhaps. Okay. So, okay, let me just remove that. Just imagine if we are retesting one more time, 2,500 would be a great level to enter a new position. You can place your stop loss somewhere at around 2,400 and let it run to the upside, because if you zoom out, we did made we make we made a massive support and resistance inside this consolidation range. Okay, so you can clearly see that we are retesting support one more time. I believe 2,500 would be a great entry, but again, we could retest a bit lower. So if you are going too long from 2,400 or from 2,500, both is fine. Make sure to just be careful to not get stopped out. I would put my stop around 2,400 just in case if we retest lower is not an ideal scenario. Okay, but if you want to wait as well to 2,400, it would be up to you. If you have more to risk, I think 2,500 is an interesting level to watch. And now that's the 4 hourly time frame, so it will take some time to play out. And today is Saturday. As I mentioned, I do not expect crazy movements on the market. Another one that I want to share with you, it's SUI USDT. I think SUI is extremely undervalued. And if we go to I've been watching SUI for some time. And if you go to the 4 hourly time frame, I keep drawing support and resistance everywhere. So I believe 2.88, to be very accurate, would be a great entry for a long term. However, if we don't hold this level, we can retest lower lows, which is around 2.40, and then go all the way up. But it's been very manipulated. I've been watching it. I've been drawing support and resistance because I'm massive on support and resistance and trend lines. That's all I do. Okay, we don't have to catch all opportunities, as I always say. Let me show you so you can see. Okay, that's SUI, and I believe it will be a next entry around 2.88, as I mentioned, somewhere around the support. But if we don't hold here, I would call a big drop before going up once more. But as I mentioned before, I've been watching it, and I'm gonna keep watching SUI because I think it's interesting to take a trade at this altcoin, and I believe that it could go really high, all the way up to 5, because it's just consolidating for a long time, which is also something good, something we want to see. Even if you're buying on a long-term token, if you can afford to hold, is an interesting one. Just Google it, SUI USDT. Have a look on a white paper. Have a look in what you think. But it's one of the top altcoins I'll be looking at. It could go all the way up to $10, but let's say mid short term, more into 5, and we now at 2.53. So even if we go to $5, it's a massive profit. Okay, guys. I hope you're doing good. Let me know how you are in the comments down below. Let me know what you want to see in this channel. And now I'll be out enjoying the sun here in Spain. See you guys soon on the next video, and let's wait on some great opportunities this next Monday. But however, if Ethereum gets a little bit low, I'll keep buying and longing because I believe that it's gonna pump again. However, end of the day is a probability, but as always, I'm crazy and I'm willing to do it. So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.